Hi there, Adita Lang, and in the next 60 minutes, I just want you to burn as many calories as possible. At the same time, let's tonify some of our muscles. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine cardio with strength, go back and forth, and guess what? You burn more calories that way, because every time you increase your heart rate, you bring it down and you push it back up again, it makes you burn extra calories. So, are you ready to get started? Let's do this. Bring it in again. Again, big deep breath. And round it forward, hold it, and press the arms over to one side. Take it over to the other and hold. Now bring it back to center. You're gonna roll your shoulders up and back. Roll them all the way up and back. Now, be sure to drink plenty of water during class. Keep rolling your shoulders and take breaks when you want to, okay? And at the same time too, play your favorite music in the background so you feel motivated and inspired. Okay, hold these shoulders down and we're gonna just reach straight across. Keeping the abdominals nice and tight. Now, form and technique is everything. So I need you to really sit up tall, lift your chest up, push those shoulders back. Now, bring the arm forward and leg curl right here. Abs are nice and tight. So this is our warm up. We're gonna get the blood flowing, the body moving. Full inhale, full exhale. One more time. And thank you for joining us in today's class. So hopefully you feel strong, you feel energized, and you feel ready to conquer your day. Have a good one. Bye for now.